Look at that.
Oh my God.
It's a huge muffler.
Dude, hold on, I got it. Wait. All right, 98, 99, 200. The dealer quoted us $700 to fix our leaky exhaust. Axle back, and we did it for 30. Or did we? Oh, broke off. Wow. One down. Beautiful. Oh my God. Wait. All right. 98, 99, 200. Wow.
Holy moly.
God damn.
Craziest thing ever done.
That, God knows what that weighs. I bet like, damn, like 20 pounds.
Look at that thing's huge.
Look at that.
That is huge. It's disgusting. Hello. Oh, wait. Hello. Yep.
Another
Sounds muffled.
All right, well, step 2.
Yep.
We're gonna, looks like we're gonna have to get that bolt out, hit this with a wire wheel,
Yep.
and then get the other side, same way.
Let's do it.
All right. Dude, it's not doing shit.
Can we?
Uh-oh. We'll be right back after these words from our sponsor. Well, I'm the sponsor. If you want to help us repair this exhaust, drop a comment below, let us know, and you can buy one of these handy magnets. We'll negotiate with you on price at this point. Yeah, thank you for shopping.
There we go. Wait. There we go.
Ready?
Yep. That's loud.
No turning back now.
Nice. Real nice. Check that out. Old flex pipe.
Nice and straight cut.
Yep.
A 45-degree
Little
angle.
rose special. Never hurt nobody.
Get the new. We'll get the clamp.
Here's the one.
Okay, let me take a look. Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Got it.
Very nice.
Okay. Now, muffler.
Don't look stock. I mean, come on. If that ain't beautiful, then I don't know what is. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. That's American.
That is America. That's a lot of America.
Tell me that ain't beautiful.
Let's get this other side off.
Beautiful silver pipe.
You just have that Sawzall. I ain't even gonna bother with.
Straight to cutting.
Yep. If I can get it just straight. cutting into the thick part of the.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Good eye. God damn you.
You're just gonna have to follow it.
Why the fuck is this?
More leverage.
There we go. That damn thing's dull. Don't mind me.
Oh my god.
Now, try this again. Like right there.
Yep.
Nice.
Okay.
Pull on this side.
Now it has to go towards the car. Like
Yeah, I'll
in.
push on it.
Yeah. There it is. Good job, buddy. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
There we go.
Woo. Damn.
Who wants these mufflers?
Yeah.
$200 each.
Woo.
They're yours.
All right, muffler delete.
This thing died. Okay. Woo.
Look at that.
Get better with every cut. All right. Let's get us our extensions.
Try the other end.
That's the part that goes on the.
Oh yeah. Almost.
I think I need to file that one down a little bit. Almost just. Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
That's right. It's like a glove.
there we go. Okay, good lord. A little bit. Side to the left.
Nice.
All right,
Now,
let's give it a sound check.
Flowmaster sound check. It's bassy.
Is it?
Yeah.
It feels bassy over
Very bassy. Next up, Dynomax Ultra Flow on a Caprice 6.0. Bassy too. Caprice 6.0 muffler delete.
one nut that doesn't want to cooperate, you know?
Yeah. I'm watching it.
Are you serious? Oh, there we go. Whew.
This one.
Thanks, dude.
There you go.
Staying in the video. That's what I feel about my exhaust. We got these nice and hand tightened.
Okay.
So we can do the final positioning of our actual muffler here. So, Ike, what have you been up to?
Oh, I've been watching this guy do a muffler delete. Yeah, pretty good at what he does. Should start a shop.
I feel like there's a shop calling our name somewhere. I would love to because out here on the East Coast, you know, cars are so bad for the most part. It's hard to get good ones like this.
This one is very lucky. There's 0 rust.
But I would love to be able to start like a garage for people, not only for like our own hot rods and projects and all that kind of stuff, but like for people who can't afford repairs. You know, like they go to a dealer and they're faced with a repair. Like we could have paid for it, right? $4 grand. That would have sucked. But we could have.
Yeah.
And that'd have been that. And we'd have been sulking and
Crying. And,
but life would have continued on. But for the people who can't, I'd love to have like a shop for them where, you know, we could legitimately take those in and, you know,
be the affordable option to the
Yeah.
dealership and help people that are in need of.
yeah.
That'd be pretty cool.
God, I would love that.
That'd be fun. There she goes.
Man, when I had my old Mustang, I had this rattiest, crappiest, bent out of shape, cut up, hacked on exhaust you can imagine. Like, and every probably 2 weeks, I'd take it back to my dad's shop and have him do something different. Like, and it'd either be put the extended pipes back on or cut them off at the axle again. Whatever I was trying to.
It's different every day.
It had no cam, it had nothing, 2-barrel 302 and a 67 Mustang coupe, and man, I wanted it to sound like it was like, you know, those Top Fuel funny cars, and didn't have the money to get there, but yeah. Anyways, so this kind of reminds me of that, like, man, we could do anything we want. We could just,
Look at this.
yeah, look at this.
Go to Advanced
All right.
Auto.
That looks good.
Yeah, it looks stock.
All right, let's get the other one mounted up the same way.
Yep.
And we'll tighten them down. Take for a test drive.
Oh, Zinga.
We went from muffler repair to complete muffler swap.
Yeah. The thing is, guys, well, we don't really have an excuse. We started to repair it, and as you'll see, or you may have seen already, depending on our editing, the bolt was welded into the, like, completely, look, take a look.
Some of the craziest stuff that I've
Yeah,
seen.
just,
So take a look at this. This right here is what we were trying to fix. This goes in between there, fixing the seal. And the bolts are so corroded that, you know, we had to cut them out.
like it became one.
But
Like, look, you can't even distinguish it.
now turn it around and show them the other side.
Look at that.
It doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense, so, you know, we could have kept fighting with it. Maybe GM doesn't produce these anymore. That was one of the issues, you know, and we could have found one, modified it, but you know what? We're like, what can we actually do with like $60 worth of parts and some old mufflers that we weren't using anyways? Well, that's not fair. We are using the Flowmasters on white. All right, that's down the road. But since we have them, let's see if we can make it work.
Might as well use them. They're just laying around.
Because what's coming is going to take a full custom exhaust. We're going to leave it there, guys. Thanks for following along in our little antics of getting exhaust on this thing for $30 or less. Even if we went and bought these mufflers today, like we didn't have them in our inventory, we still beat the dealer cost by 350 some bucks for making that repair. Not bad.
Not bad.
Granted, it's not welded on, no clamps again, You just saw why we haven't done that permanently, but this will get us through the inspection so we can get us to the next leg of this project. Would you agree?
I agree. This is just the start with all Caprice on.
Just the start.
Yeah, well, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, buy some merch. Check out all our other social media.
Please.
And
Stay driven.
driven.